Meet Coursebox, the AI platform that turns any idea or document into a fully built e-learning course in a matter of seconds. How does Coursebox work? You can either write a prompt describing the course or training you want, or you can also upload an existing document, and Coursebox converts it into a complete e-learning course with all the interactions, quizzes, assignments, AI videos, and images included. Since we are inside a tax and audit company's e-learning platform, we are going to create a cybersecurity awareness mini course. Before I click the button, it is worth mentioning that you can write your prompt in any language, for example, Spanish, Portuguese, even Chinese, and Coursebox will generate the course in that language. Or you can write your prompt in English and choose a different output language for your course. And your learners can switch the language of the course at any time right inside Coursebox. The first step takes you through the same process an instructional designer would follow when building a course. It's a high-level design process, and that structure is what produces the course. You can keep refining it through the AI course editor on the right, adjusting how many quizzes, how many interactions, how deep you want to go. And when you are happy, you can generate the course. Click. It builds in seconds and you have a fully built course ready to go. As I said, everything stays editable. You can refine any sections at your own expertise. Simply hover over a block, click the plus button, and add a building block you need. Or you can ask Coursebox to add or modify anything within the course. A lot of blocks come with AI features built right into them. You can create AI training videos very easily. Coursebox has over 700 AI avatars to choose from, or you can simply upload one of your photos and turn that into a speaking avatar.
Trust and careful management of information are crucial. When client data is compromised, the consequences can extend beyond just numbers on a spreadsheet.
Deliver the training in any language or in any voice, accent, dialect you choose. Beyond AI avatar videos, you can also find a presentation to video tool. So now you can upload PDFs and turn it into a narrated video with voiceover. Each course comes with its own AI tutor experience, a chatbot built directly into the course that you can train, enhance, and customize to your learners' needs. What about security? What happens when you upload your content to Coursebox? Coursebox uses closed-loop systems to make sure that your data is secure and never used for training purposes. Everything is secured. Your material, your course, your data, you own all of it. Coursebox builds out interactions on every page automatically, so you never have to start from a blank page. But you can still refine it and add interactive elements as you wish. Coursebox is a full corporate training solution focused on active learning because we believe training should drive actual skill and knowledge change, not just course completion. As the admin, you can switch to learner view at any time. Every installation comes with its own full branding pack. Your learners never have to know that they are inside Coursebox. Your domain name, your theme, all fully customizable. What you are looking at is a fully white label all-in-one platform. You have a full learning library and every course can be published in multiple ways: public, private, paid, or plugged directly into other platforms via SCORM or LTI. Coursebox automates the creation and distribution of courses, not just as a standalone white label product, but sitting right inside the learning platform your team already uses. And when your course is ready, you can change the visibility from draft to public or even sell your course. Try Coursebox for free today.